Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add subtitles to Instagram Reels. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So launch your Instagram application and tap on this plus icon here and select Reel, and you can capture a reel or you can upload a reel. So I'm gonna uploading a reel from my gallery. Tapping on add, tapping on next, and now let's see how to add subtitles or captions. So for that you'll need to tap on this double A icon here and now type here your subtitles or caption, and you can change the format. From this list you can select any format and tap on done. You can make the caption or subtitles bigger or smaller. You can change the position and tap on done. So that's how you can add caption or subtitles on Instagram Reels. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.